What are the health conditions associated with gas stove use and how to prevent them? Understanding the risks of gas stove use. Gas stoves are a popular choice for many households, as they offer convenience and cost-effectiveness. However, it is important to be aware of the potential risks associated with using a gas stove. This video will provide an overview of the potential health risks from gas stoves, including carbon monoxide poisoning, fire hazards, and other safety concerns. It will also discuss the importance of proper installation and maintenance for gas stoves to minimize these risks. With this knowledge in hand, we can make informed decisions about our gas stove use and ensure our family's safety. How does gas stove use affect your health? Gas stoves are a popular household appliance. But did you know that they can have an impact on your health? The use of gas stoves can lead to carbon monoxide exposure and indoor air pollution, both of which can have a negative effect on your health. In this video, we will discuss the potential risks associated with gas stove use and how you can protect yourself from these risks. We will also look at the various ways in which gas stove use affects your health and what steps you can take to minimize these effects. How to reduce the risks of using a gas stove safely. Gas stoves are a great way to cook food quickly and efficiently, but they can also be hazardous if used improperly. To reduce the risks of using a gas stove safely, it is important to take the necessary precautions and understand how to use it correctly. Proper ventilation for gas stoves is essential in order to reduce carbon monoxide exposure in the home. Additionally, taking steps such as checking for gas leaks and ensuring that flammable materials are kept away from the stove can help minimize the risks of using a gas stove safely. Common indoor air pollutants generated by gas stoves. Cooking with a gas stove can have a significant effect on indoor air quality. Gas stoves produce volatile organic compounds, VOCs, that are released into the air, leading to poor indoor air quality. In addition, these VOCs can react with other pollutants in the air to form secondary pollutants such as ozone and formaldehyde. In this video, we will discuss the common indoor air pollutants generated by gas stoves and how they affect our health and well-being. We will also look at ways to reduce VOCs from cooking with a gas stove so that we can improve our indoor air quality and protect ourselves from potential health risks. Gas stoves produce methane gas, which is a dangerous indoor air pollutant. Make sure to use a ventilation hood when cooking. There is a link between indoor air pollution and the exacerbation of asthma. What are some other ways to reduce indoor air pollution? Indoor air pollution is a growing concern as it can cause serious health problems. In addition to using air purifiers for home use, there are other ways to reduce indoor air pollution. These include reducing outdoor sources of pollution, such as vehicle emissions, and improving indoor ventilation. The use of an induction cook stove can help improve air quality. If you'd have a gas stove, close off the area and make sure you use a ventilation hood. Closing off the area confines the pollution to the cooking area. Using a ventilation hood helps to remove the pollution generated by the gas stove. These simple steps can greatly improve air quality. We hope that you've enjoyed today's video. Please give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. Subscribe to our channel so you can receive notifications of future related topics. Thanks for watching.